Hello friends, if you are good morning. If you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Real Life Indrajit Pal. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel with your friends and relatives. Today discussing topic is testing of circuit breaker. Generally, lots of tests has performed on circuit breaker during the erection commissioning of the breaker at substation and at manufacturing or manufacturer premises. So this all test is called the routine test. So first we have done the IR value test. What is the IR value? Insulation resistance value of the breaker by help of the megar. Then we perform the tan delta test to know about the condition of the bushing, the condition of the insulations, etc. Third test we have done is a contact resistance test to know the contact resistance value of the breaker. What is the contact? Contact is nothing. In between the interrupter of a breaker, two contacts has present. One is a fixed contact, other is a moving contact. So this contact resistance should be minimum to flow the maximum current during a shortest time. So the resistance of the contact should be minimum in micro ohm. The fourth test is the cycle test or timing test to determine the faulty adjustment, to detect the faulty adjustment to and also the defective spring mechanisms. By help of this test, we can identify the mechanism related problem. Is the breaker is operating properly? Closing mechanisms of the breaker is properly closing the breaker, or opening mechanisms of the breaker is properly opening the breakers. We get this idea from this test, and this test has a predefined value from the manufacturers. You have to just check the value is within the permissible limit. The fifth test is the thermography of the complete switchgear. It is a very vital test that the total circuit breaker body of the porcelain part or mechanisms part or in the tie rod sections, any portions of the breaker is overheated or not, any terminal of the breaker is overheated or not, are just in normal condition or in overheated condition. To identify the thermovision, we use the thermography test of the breaker. Now we are discussing about what is the making current and what is the breaking current. Making current is equal to 2.55 into breaking current. During the switching on operation, some huge amount of current is passing through the fixed contact to moving contact is called the making current of the breaker, and making current of the breaker is greater than the breaking current because during the breaking the small amount of current is going through, and that's why it's called the breaking current. So let's start about discussing about some nameplate rating. From this nameplate rating you will get the clear idea about a breaker testing. So we have considered here the rated voltage of the breaker is 36 kV. In case the rated lightning impulse withstand voltage is 170 kV peak, rated short time power frequency voltage is 70 kV, rated short circuit making current is 63 kilo ampere, rated short circuit breaking current is 25 kilo ampere, and rated current is 1250 ampere. For that case, the minimum or maximum closing time is 40 to 63 millisecond. During the closing operations of the breaker, the two contacts of the breaker should close the breaker within this millisecond of time. This is the range of the closing time, and in the case of the opening time, it is 35 to 53 millisecond. So these 5 tests have done on the breaker to identify the breaker condition is good, breaker performance is good or not. Okay friend, thank you for watching my video.